Artificial intelligence exists to enhance human life with many applications in education, medicine, finance, technology, entertainment, and daily life. Firstly, how does AI support in education industry? The automation of administrative tasks. AI has great potential in automating and expediting administrative tasks for both organizations and professors. Grading homework, evaluating essays, and offering value to student responses is where educators spend the most time. The admission process is also set to benefit as AI can automate the processing and classification of paperwork. Smart content. AI can help digitize textbooks or create customizable learning digital interfaces that apply to students of all age ranges and grades. One such system, called Cram 101, uses AI to condense the content in textbooks into a more digestible study guide with chapter summaries, practice tests, and flashcards. Another platform called Netix Learning allows lecturers and professors to design a digital curriculum and content across a variety of devices, including video, audio, and an online assistant, smart tutors, and personalization. AI can do more than condense a lecture into flashcards and smart study guides, as it can also tutor a student based on the difficulties they're having with class material. Here are now smart tutoring systems, such as Carnegie Learning, that use data from specific students in order to give them feedback and work with them directly. These platforms will soon be able to adapt to a wide variety of learning styles in order to help every educator and student. Virtual lecturers and learning environment in future. Your actual lecturer may soon be replaced by a robot. There are already virtual human guides and facilitators that can think, act, and react with humans by using gesture recognition technology in a natural way, responding both verbal and nonverbal cues. The organization uses AI, 3D gaming, and computer animation to create real virtual characters and social interactions. This initiative includes more than virtual facilitators, as augmented reality may soon be part of the classroom as well. Secondly, AI is a revolution of medical. Let's see how it works. AI uses the deep learning, and then deep learning helps AI think as human, if not better. It uses vast sets of example data to gain expertise over a topic. Thus, via AI we can have big data which can support for diagnosing. AI has been helping us with precise search results, data structuring, cyber security enhancement, and even digitizing age-old books. And now experts believe that AI for medical diagnosis can aid our doctors or even replace them in the near future. Automate the diagnosis via big data and machine learning. AI learns to think as humans do with a concept called deep learning. Deep learning utilizes broad sets of sample data to create decision trees by itself. As AI systems start diagnosing patients, they also keep looking for patterns among patients with same illnesses. Over time, these patterns can lay the foundation for predicting diseases before they are manifested. With each developing AI for medical diagnosis, healthcare delivery is improving significantly for potentially everyone. To sum up, there are a lot of benefits of AI in this area, such as huge databases, diagnose the diseases encountered in a short period of time, quick and accurate pathological diagnoses, identifying common signs and patterns based on past information and images based on accumulated experience. AI can copy the whole process and learn quickly and more efficiently. Matrix AI Network is a third-generation blockchain which also combines the AI, and it creates a new era of cancer diagnosis and technology-supported treatments. I'll show you how man uses AI to diagnosis. by the perfect combination of pathological image recognition technology and machine learning methods, and the deep learning facilities provided by the Matrix's Bayesian proof-of-work algorithm is a perfect training ground. Matrix can construct machines that can learn and think like human beings. This picture shows how man construct machine that think like human being. Matrix use Bayesian network and machine learning to make this process happen. Up to now, what has man done? Matrix is currently building the diagnosis and treatment solution to aid in the diagnosis of thyroid cancer and liver cancer. Matrix is working with Beijing Cancer Hospital, the 302 hospital, and a number of other first-line hospitals in China to realize this goal, and continue to strengthen communication with the center. Work to improve the AI technology used in digital pathological diagnosis with the hospitals. Optimize the cooperation details and promote the common development of both parties. Thirdly, finance. AI can help to improve finance and risk assessment, fraud detection, advisory service, trading and managing finance. In risk assessment, AI can help to learn from past data and then make a recommendation of loan and credit offering which bases on historical information. Moreover, by the past spending behaviors on different transaction instruments, it can figure out bug and odd behavior to increase security and fraud identification. The system can learn from the experience and make even more sophisticated decisions about what can be considered fraud and what cannot. Using Bionic Advisory, this combines machine calculations and human insight to provide options that are much more efficient than what their individual components provide. We can also apply it in trading to create some bots and machines which can observe patterns in past data and predict how these patterns might repeat in the future. Thus, a person with a high-risk appetite can count on AI for decisions on when to buy, hold and sell stock or cryptocurrencies. Last but not least, AI helping us to manage our finances. Personal financial management is one of the recent developments on the AI-based wallet. Use AI to build algorithms to help the consumers make smart decisions about their money when they are spending it. Next, by definitely effect to technology. It enhances and shortens the technology development of technology, especially robotic. Bring the internet to next generation. Internet AI leverages the fact that users automatically label data as we browse. These cascades of labeled data build a detailed picture of our personalities, habits, demands, and desires, the perfect recipe for more tailored content to keep us on a given platform. Training robot. AI is making robots easier to train, which in turn makes them a more viable investment for smaller companies as it reduces the cost of installation, training, and ongoing programming. Have you ever heard about 3D vision? Even the simplest tasks a robot performs will depend on 3D machine vision to feed data into AI technology. Grasping an object, for example, without predetermined locations and motions would be impossible without machine vision capable of reconstructing a 3D image and AI to translate this visual information into a successful action on the part of the robot. In robotic deep learning using image classification and speech recognition often relies on huge datasets with millions of examples. AI requires more data than can realistically reside on most local systems. In this way, advances in cloud robotics are necessary for the advancement of AI in robotics technologies. Cloud robotics allows intelligence to be shared across all robots in a connected environment. Then, the media and entertainment industry is a cornerstone of contemporary human culture. delivering films, TV shows, advertisements, and more in a multitude of languages across a wide variety of devices. May someone wonder how AI can involve in entertainment? Number 1. Marketing and advertising. A machine learning algorithm trained with data such as text, stills, and video segments can extract language, objects, and concepts from its training resources and suggest marketing and advertising solutions to improve efficiency. Number 2. Personalized services, using AI to create personalized services for billions of customers. Example: recommending content that fits users' personal tastes while they are browsing a video site or shopping online. Optimizing video definition and fluency for users with different internet speeds and bandwidth. Number 3. Search and classification. AI is helping optimize the accuracy of search results. Computer vision technologies, meanwhile, are also enabling content producers to better manage visual content and accelerate the media production process. Number 4. Experience innovation. AI is heralding a new age of immersive experience for visual content. This technology includes virtual reality and augmented reality. Finally, we'll move on the last part about AI in daily life. AI and IoT. These terms are more and more popular. The Internet of Things technology enables a massive number of devices to connect with each other. Via cloud service can help to control between things and its controller. These devices will produce large amount of data and efficiently analyzing these data for intelligent service. However, the demand for intelligent service require an extremely strong data processing capability, which motivate the artificial intelligent and power systems. Matrix AI Network is one of the best representatives for AI applications. Let's go through it. In the Matrix AI world, your health status will be updated by the Matrix bracelet. Getting customized meal based on Matrix's personal life management application. Based on Matrix intelligent transportation app will plan a perfect driving route for you to work. A smart city can provide convenient services for people. The SC covers many domains, such as urban infrastructure, resident living environment, transportation management, medical treatment, shopping, security assurance, and so on. The AI also comes to your work via Matrix Working Management app. It can help to set up meeting, record content, and make meeting recap and send to everyone's mobile phone according to the vision of each person. After work, Matrix Schedule Management app can help you to book a table at your favorite restaurant and pre-order your favorite drink and meal. When coming home, your smart home will automatically turn on the light to welcome you. Then it also can help turn off the light and lock the door. Welcome to Connect to Matrix. Welcome to the AI world and welcome to the future. AI, especially Matrix, will serve every corner of human life. For more information about Matrix, please take a look at these channels on the screen.